Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to tell you the most effective and efficient way to train for the handstand. A lot of beginners may not even know how to begin, so in this video I'll go over how you should structure your routine and how to effectively train in your sessions so you can get your handstand in no time. Let's do it. So when structuring our routine for the handstand, we ideally want to be including three things: a handstand session, obviously, some strength and conditioning work, and lastly, some stretching. So ideally we want to be putting our handstands first in our workout. This is when our brain and body is most fresh and will help us to learn new skills. Of course, after doing a warm-up first. Secondly, after we have fatigued ourselves from the handstands, we want to do some strengthening and conditioning for the muscles or joints we lack strength in. This will allow us to build our handstand endurance, which means improving our mind to muscle connection and ensuring better stability whilst we're upside down. And thirdly, we need to do some stretching in order to maintain flexibility in our shoulders and wrists, because over time as we train, our muscles get tighter. So stretching regularly will help prevent this tightness. Okay, so a lot of fitness influencers will just show you a bunch of drills to do, but won't tell you how to implement it into your training. What you should do is when you are given multiple drills to do at your current level, you should just focus on 1 to 2 of them at a time and work on mastering them first. Once you've mastered them, then move on to the next handstand drill. The reason for this is because your shoulders and forearms will fatigue out really quickly when you first start, and when you get fatigued, your form is compromised and you're also more likely to get injured. So by structuring your session this way, you'll be able to spend more time mastering each drill individually, refine your balance, and focus on your form on those drills instead of fatiguing your shoulders out trying to perform all the drills in one go in the same session and then getting frustrated because you can't master any of them. I personally made much better progress by just focusing on 1 to 2 drills at a time. If you want to check out my top handstand drills that made the best progress for me, check out this video here. And also guys, if you want free coaching, just type free coaching in the comments below with your Instagram and I'll get in touch with you. The last piece of advice I'll give you is to do as many reps as possible. The more reps, the better, even if you are making errors. This is science proven. You can go check out the linked video in the description below if you are curious, but doing as many reps as possible is going to develop your mind to muscle connection so your body gets used to being upside down as you become more self-aware of the position of your body. If this video helped you, click the thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions or video requests, and subscribe to support the channel. Peace out.